Unit 3, Lesson 4, Track 21. You will hear different people talking. Listen. Number 1.
There, we've done the glasses. I think we've finished. Thanks for helping, Samira.
Oh, sorry, Mariam. I found these cups.
Oh, never mind. Put them in the bowl, please. They'll just take a minute. There, we finished. Thanks, Samira.
It's a pleasure.
Number 2.
I'm bored with this puzzle, Carmel. Let's go outside.
No, Malek. Look, we just need one more. Number 6. The clue is there are 2 in the school year. 8 letters.
What does it begin with?
I don't know, but the 6th letter is T.
There are 2 in the school year. That's easy. I've done it. Come on, we've finished. We can do something else now.
Hang on, I don't know the answer. Number 3. Keep going, Jim. Not much farther. Just a few meters. Just a bit higher. Here goes. I've done it! I've reached the top. What a fantastic view. Number 4. Pass me that small brush, will you please? Thanks.
Do you want more paint?
No, I'm fine for paint. Just this last bit. There. That's better.
Nice colour, isn't it? Looks like a new gate.
Number 5.
2 chocolate ice creams, please. Thank you. Hold these a minute, will you, Sarah, while I get the money? Oh, no!
What's the matter?
My purse, with all my money in it. It's not in my bag.
Your pocket?
No, I've left it at home. Oh, what can we do? The ice creams are melting.
Don't worry. Hold the ice creams. I don't think I've forgotten my purse. No, here it is. How much?
Number 6.
This game is difficult, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I just bought it yesterday.
I don't think we can do it.
Yes, we can. Let's try again. Look, I think I've got one.
Oh, yes. And there's another one. Look, get it.
Okay.
You've done it. You've done it.
Right, that's enough. We'll play it again later. Switch off the computer now.